Fucking police was in front of my building. Oh shit. What is going on, guys? Hey, how you doing? It's March 1st. New month, new start. It's Wednesday. It's 1:11 right now. And I just finished recording 3 videos for you guys. So I will not be behind when it comes to posting these videos. What I want to do is an 80-day challenge. I want to post 80 days straight. I've seen someone post 80 days straight and got to 100K. I want to do that. And if you support me, like you say you support me, you already know the wave. Make sure you share my videos, send links to your friend, post it on your pages, screenshot stuff, tag me in it on Twitter. Let's get to that 100K. I mean, we got to start somewhere, so let's start off somewhere small. Let's get to 5K. Get to 5,000 subscribers. 5 Team King members. Let's grow, guys. Let's not be afraid to add more people to the family. Don't be scared. You ain't gotta be scared. You ain't gotta be. Everybody gonna eat, man. Everybody gonna eat. You feel me? Don't worry about, oh, there's too many members. It's never too many members for King. We need to grow as a family. So make sure you guys are sharing these videos, posting it on your social media. And the more you do that, the more I can give you. Alright? Today is going to be a good day because I'm feeling good. I'm feeling positive. I had me a little cutie thing, orange thing for breakfast. I kind of need to eat something else. I'm going to have fruit for breakfast and then goddamn pizza for lunch. Crazy, right? And it's a shitty day outside, so I really don't know what's going to be happening. I'm going to try to post the videos. I'm going to try to do things. This vlog is probably not going to be as interesting, but it's probably going to be more so of like talking. If that's cool with you guys, stick around. If it's not cool with you guys, then you're not really a part of the team, because anything and everything should be good enough. You feel me? Because we a family. So I hope you guys are having a productive day. I'm going to go get to editing these videos. I'm also going to feed myself, and I feel faint, you know? So don't go anywhere. See you in the next second. Video is it uploaded or nah? Upload. Yeah, guys, like I was saying, I'm on my way to Doe's house right now. I'm a little tired, like my body, mentally, I'm tired. Physically, I'm tired. Emotionally, I'm tired. I'm motherfucking tired. But off to Doe's. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos that I post. This 90-day challenge is happening. The shit is fucking happening. What I said, 90 days, 80 days. And if it doesn't work in 80 days, then I'm gonna just do 90 days to make it better. Man, I don't know what the fuck was going on. Fucking police was in front of my building. Oh shit. You're probably wondering, What happened? Probably wondering what's going on. Absolutely nothing. Just showing y'all a little bit of my acting skills. Good, right? Yeah, no. What's poppin', player? From the Himalayas.
Yeah.
So it's like 8:37. I'm very late. This is the first time I'm late. Not necessarily. This is the first time I'm late from me not even smoking. I didn't smoke this morning. So, like I was saying, I didn't smoke this morning. So I'm like a little bit like, not off, but I have a lot of energy. I know that much. And I do not want to go to work. I don't want to work for nobody else. This is why I'm trying to become a full-time YouTuber. Let me stop talking because I know y'all can't fucking hear me.
We're going 30 up.
Mount Vernon West train station?
Mount Vernon train?
Yeah, west.
Which one, the west or the east?
West. Here you go. Here you go, sir. Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Work right now. I'm about to make me some breakfast because I'm like running low on funds, so I can't keep eating out constantly over and over again. But I am posting more videos tonight. I'm gonna be posting like every day. I'm telling you, I'm trying to do this 80 days challenge. I mean, if you guys to go like and then go comment and then go share my videos with your friends so we can get bigger and better as a fucking team. I'm about to heat up my oatmeal and stuff. I'll see you guys in a second. What is good, Team King? I'm off work right now. I feel so good. Feels good. Yeah, because I didn't want to be at work no more, man. I had to get the fuck up out of there. It's like, what time is it? It's 1:44 right now. Got out of there like at 1:15. I'm about to go renew my passport because I'm supposed to be going, I I'm not even gonna tell y'all where I'm going for my birthday. I'm gonna let y'all know when it gets closer to the time and I start doing my countdown. I'm supposed to be going to go see Doe, and I also have a video to edit. And I also have to take a shit, but, you know, I'm gonna have to wait. But I'm gonna go renew this passport, and I'm gonna see you guys. I'm home right now, and that is it. I wanna say thank you for coming to visit. Like and subscribe if you're feeling it. I'm about to go make this money for the rent. Nah, man. It's like 2 o'clock. I don't see myself doing anything else. I gotta go get something, and then I'm in for the crib. I'm in for the night. It's 2 in the afternoon, and I'm in for the night. I live a boring life. I have to edit like 3 videos, so I don't have to edit tomorrow. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-day vlog. Make sure you guys go check out the videos that I'm going to post if you're going to see them. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. What is that noise? Who is that? What is that? What are you doing? What was that? Yo, y'all gotta fucking do something with that one right there, because I'm gonna fucking throw her bitch ass out the window. I have been wanting to throw her ass out of the window. So, comment down below if y'all want me to throw Kiela out of the window. Peace, love, and happiness, and make sure you guys stay black.